Hello guys, Jacob here from Thegamincharmander. Today I'm gonna be solving the Rubik's Cube. So not only one, two. So the 2x2 and the standard 3x3. So let's get right into it. So we have the 2x2 here. So I'm gonna shuffle that right now. I'm warning you, I'm telling you right now that this is no cheating. I'm really gonna solve these. Anyway, so this one looks a bit mixed, right? So let's do the 3x3 now. So some random things, some random algorithms and stuff. So here, I can just do a bit of this. Here we go. So now I'm gonna be using a timer. So here we're gonna go to the timer, stopwatch, and now not a timer, stopwatch, and now I will start solving these two. So I will not lap or anything. These two are gonna be together. So first I'm gonna start with the 2x2, then the 3x3. So first, the way this works is that I check the Rubik's cubes for any plans. So like, yeah, and then I start. So 3, 2, 1, go. Now I will be silent during this, just to be more concentrated. I'm sorry for the noises. There are people in this house. So, oops. Okay, so it's 2 minutes and 22 seconds. That's my score with these two cubes. So the 2x2 and the 3x3. So, yeah, so that was fun, right? Let's move on to a little bonus part. You've guessed it, it's the 4x4, yep. So, just need a little mix. It is mixed, but there are some really obvious parts that it's not, which it is, anyway. So I have my algorithms here, and I'm telling you again, this is no cheating. I am really gonna solve this, and as well, these are very complicated algorithms. I don't remember them, so I wrote them down. So sorry about that. Anyway, so as I said, I need to check the cube and start solving. So now I'm checking. Okay, ready. 3, 2, 1, go. Yes, 7 minutes and 8 seconds. That's amazing. Oh, my hands. Okay, so here we go. Snowman number, I don't know, 2, I think. So, that's my snowman. Return each one. Oops. Anyway, so this part. So there you go. This is solved. Oops. Anyway, they're all solved. That's what I'm trying to prove. So I did 2 minutes plus 7, around there. It should be around 9 minutes. Altogether, they would be 9 minutes. So that's pretty good. Including this 4x4. Wow. My hands. Anyway, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.